Men, hear me and hear me well. Today is Valentine's Day. If your woman is a teacher, honor your woman today. Honor your Valentine's. Okay, some little pitting in our class, them little boy there, them little slick with there, I'll take her away. You don't believe me? Watch this. They will come, they might tell her, oh, miss, you look so nice today. Make a sweet go and give her. Some even I carry rose. Some even I carry lunch vouchers. You don't believe me? Alright, stay there. Watch, you're gonna see the pictures and the gift them you get. And no for your woman today, and no for your Valentine's today, you just get knock. You get what the dog get. Dog name your supper. And in other words, them pick the name your supper. Translation, those children at your woman's school, are those children at the school that your partner teaches at, they are going to treat her so nice today that she's going to totally forget about you. So today, she is their Valentine's. You do not exist, so I'd advise you to send some gift to the school to remind those children that you are still the man. Okay? It is still your partner. Take my foolish advice. You understand? They are slick. Okay?